Hey guys, today we're at Narrabeen Lagoon on the kayaks. I'm here with Thomas. He just caught a bream and we're going with some chicken today, and we're gonna stay over here then head down to the bridge, maybe catch some bream and flounder. Thomas just caught a bream. So yeah, wish us luck and I'll get back to you guys if we catch a fish. Okay guys, so we caught a bream here. There, I'm gonna get it out later, but that looks like maybe 15 centimeters, not too big. They're starting to drift. We were doing it next to that buoy thing, the speed limit. But yeah, this one hit it quite well. We switched to the prawns because there's lots of bream here, so yeah, we're gonna unhook him, chuck him back, and catch another fish. See you guys then. Moved over to the bridge and I got this little bream, tarwhine, I think it's a bream, on prawns, so I'm going to chuck it back in and hopefully we catch something a bit bigger. Thomas caught his second fish. It's a ludrick, probably about 15 centimeters, maybe 12, on prawn or chicken?
That was on prawn.
Prawn, yeah. So we'll unhook him and chuck him back, or yeah, we'll chuck him back right now. See you guys when we catch a bigger fish. Fifth fish of the day. The first one wasn't filmed, by the way. Another
Little yellow fin bream.
So we'll chuck him back in and on to the next fish.